Permisi ya.
Oh, udah mau lancau ya. Bisa ditulis lagi Pak, udah ada dia ya.
5 lah, 5.
5 udah ada.
5.
Muya. Nah, 2.
Some of them, but then
But later on or before?
Silakan kembali ke tempat masing-masing, mau bekerja silakan ya, kami tidak menghalangi. Dan yang masih mau melihat perhitungan suara silakan. Nah, jadi kami kira itu selesai.
Ini saya sedih Pak.
Yeah, yes, very sad because why before we only choose the parliament and then the parliament will choose the president and the vice president and everything is okay. Even somebody cannot read, he can vote because he get a card. And now after we have more democracy with the president and the vice president directly by the people, but some card cannot receive it.